situation you see here is a temporary situation because, as I said, we are moving our premises to a different building. So this one is just half of the building, the current building, and is all crammed here with machineries and staff assembling products. Say, as we said, around 60% of our current products are manufactured here in our factory in Italy. All the lines are sort of working at the moment. I'd like to introduce you to the main person in charge of the factory.
My name is Marco, and I follow all the production here in IK Multimedia, and all the technical support for the production of SMT and PTH production.
So how much production can you reach?
Depend by the product. The last year we reached about 200,000 different products in 1 year. This year the trend is I think growing up. So I think we have better of 30% or almost. So depend by the product. If we have some 200,000 per year, the last year. As you can see, here we mount a component on PCB for a lot of product of IK Multimedia. This is a complete linear SMT. There is a loader, one serigraph machine, one buffer, and the pick and place machine is the most important part of the line. As you can see, now we are changing one component finished before. This is another machine. In this moment, we are mounting this product, Pro-IO idle. So you can see the machine picking the component from the feeder. All of these are components, very small component, SMT component. Very fastly move to the picking, to the placement. There are 6 different devices that pick the component, control the position with 6 different digital camera, correct the position, and put very fast on the PCB. This is one machine for this purpose. Here we change component. The machine correct the position with some fiducial inside. Then mount the component missing. This board is already finished. You can see the component is in place. Just place it down. But this oven create the soldering joint. In this phases is not soldered. It is only placed down. Okay. As you can see, this machine have two different gantries, one in front and one in back, and when one gantry pick the component, the other place, and so on. Alternatively, you can see the movement. Maybe if you come from here and give a scene from here, you can see the device very fast. 20,000 components per hour. After the components are placed down, the oven perform the solder joint. This is a curve, a thermal curve. You can see this is the degree, centigrade degree. Goes up, goes up, goes up, goes up, then goes down. And at the end of the process, this is complete. This is the first side. After we mount the second side, okay, in another step, and finish the board. Then after this, we put some big components like electromechanical switch or other, and complete the circuit. This is one of a lot of different products we have here. This is an unloader. Take the board and place in this cassette.
So after you mount the other components?
Yes. This big one are component we solder with the PTH technology. through all.
Okay.
And after this, the circuit is completed. We separate this is one. It's a single part.
Okay.
After we separate it, in this case, we put one cable inside here. In this phase, we complete the product. We put the cable inside of the PCB, then close in the shell, put the screw, and put the label. And in this case, it's IRE2. The product is finished. In the finish of this line, we have the IRE2 complete to the shipment. And here
you make the electrical test?
Yes, programming and electrical test. As you can see, this is a Pro Duo. We have two different PC with some interface, give some signal inside, and we see the output of the signal to have a complete electrical check. If the product is okay, at the end of the process, the monitor shows it's okay, you can go ahead.